Most people think AI will take their jobs, but what if it could actually make you money instead? Today I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that beginners are using to earn daily income online, even with zero skills. AI tool number 1, ChatGPT. This tool can write emails, captions, product descriptions, resumes, and customer support messages. People are earning $50 to $150 per day doing simple tasks for small businesses. AI tool number 2, Canva AI. This tool creates logos, social media posts, thumbnails, and full marketing designs using artificial intelligence. You can sell these designs on Fiverr, Instagram, or Facebook Marketplace and make $10 to $50 per project. AI tool number 3, InVideo AI. This tool makes videos from text. You can create TikTok ads, YouTube shorts, business promos, or real estate videos in minutes. Freelancers charge $50 to $150 per video. AI tool number 4, Midjourney. This AI creates artwork, book covers, t-shirt designs, YouTube thumbnails, and digital posters. Creators are selling AI images online for $10 to $40 each, and it only takes seconds to generate. AI tool number 5, ElevenLabs. This AI voice generator creates professional voiceovers for YouTube, Reels, ads, and audiobooks. You can earn $10 to $30 per minute of audio by offering voiceover services to content creators. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who refuse to use it. If you want more videos about AI tools and making money online, subscribe to MoneyMind AI.